upload a latest video, but whenever I have time, definitely I will update the technology base, which will help to you. So in this video, I'm going to cover about data engineer roadmap and key points and tips. Okay. So guys, basically, before going inside into this topic, so I want to clarify you some key points like what is about data engineer and what are the prerequisites required for the data engineer and how gain hands-on experience and network with other data engineers, build a portfolio, advanced topic, and career path. So these are the topics which will help to you to understand the roadmap for the data engineer, as well as it will be guidance to you who wants to become like a fresher, or else like the person who is working on other technology or non-80% they want to switch to data engineer, right? They can easily go ahead on this one. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start this topic. Okay, so guys, introduction. A data engineer is a software engineer who specializes in building and maintaining data infrastructure. They are responsible for designing and building, testing and deploying system for collecting and storing, processing and analyzing data. Basically, guys, like that, a data engineer is nothing but the specialized person who is build and maintain data infrastructure. Okay, it means like they are, for example, if the person business want like they want to understand their how the business is going on, so they have the data, but those data they can't understand it. So with help of this data engineer person, they were specializing in building and maintaining their data and responsible for designing and building and testing and deploying the system for collecting and storing and processing, analyzing the data. It means, guys, simply I want to explain to you like they simply understand the business data and make the better representation and process their data into visualized representation. So it means complete end-to-end ETL process is maintaining here. So data engineers work with a variety of technologies like including big data processing framework, cloud computer platform, and databases. So it's like just complete frameworks you are going to work with data engineer. Mostly the tools are like you can utilize the Hadoop big data and some framework which is helpful to you make the ETL process very well. Unlike cloud-based computing, you can use it and you are using the databases. So with all these tools, you implement some end-to-end ETL process. Okay. So what are the key points for the data engineer? So design and build data pipeline to collect and process data from variety of sources. What I told you, that data engineer main role is has to design and build a data pipeline. It means they are designing the one pipeline, data pipeline, which will help to collect from different sources and process the data to the target for the reporting purpose. Okay. And second point is they are maintaining and developing the data warehouse and data lake solutions. Not only this one, guys, and as well as they are like implementing data warehouse and data lake solutions, which will help you for the warehouse purpose, like who has like business intelligence, right? Data analytic team who is constantly working on the for in order to maintain the data warehouse, like those kind of solutions that they want to maintain some staging level data, they want to maintain some warehouse solutions in order to those application oriented, right? So those kind of things actually we are using this to second point. And third point is design and build machine learning infrastructure. So now, so data engineer has the other role also, like if you have to implement some machine learning modeling using notebook with help of pyspark. Okay, so you have to make some ETL solution with help of some Python coding with help of PySpark libraries. So those kind of scenarios also data engineering is involving. And monitoring, optimizing data system for performance scalability. For example, once you develop pipeline activities, whether it is for data integration, whether it's for data warehouse solution, so you have responsibility to optimize the data and as well as monitoring how much data records are loading and what time is taking. Do I need to improve some improve the performance, as well as I have to maintain some scalability on the particular process. So those kind of scenarios also you will be involved with. So mostly work with the data science and business analysis, support data driven decision making. So basically, guys, the data engineer are closely work with business analyst as well as data scientist in order to make decision making process for the businesses. Okay, once you provide the data to the data science and business analyst, they will take the decision on your data which you provided by with help of some other like other tools, like for example some business analyst using reporting tool, some data science using some other tools. They can analyze this data whatever you're providing and take the decision. So these are the key points which will for the data engineer. Now prerequisite. So guys, if you want to become data engineer, right, so what are the prerequisites? So basically guys, you need some programming language, like you can select for Python, Java, or Scala. Basically guys, Python is the best one. What I personally I'm working on Python also. So why? Because it is flexible, you can easily understand, and we have lots of custom library as well as standard libraries which will help to you to easily work on these data science or data engineering solutions, guys. And Java and Scala also, these are the like programming languages also. If you have interest, you can go ahead, guys. Okay. Now coming about database, guys, database is mandatory for any platform. Okay, if you're a programmer, if you're a website developer, if you're like Android developer, iOS developer, if you're a data engineer, data science, SQL is a mandatory. If you're a business analyst also, SQL is a mandatory. So what I suggest you guys, SQL is a mandatory to everyone. So please focus on SQL also, on some RDBMS concept, which helps to maintain the data in the tables and understand the how the data is processing from the table. So it is mainly helpful for to you guys. For the basic step to become a data, you should have knowledge on strong knowledge in SQL and RDBMS. Okay, so not only basic SQL, you have to go at some stored procedures and PL script. Not only single SQL, guys, you have to, for example, in PySpark also some SQL statement we are in. As per the platform level, you have to understand the syntax. So it is recommended to highly utilize this SQL in best way, guys. And you have to learn from basic to advanced SQL. Now coming about Azure. So coming about cloud-based platform, guys. So we have three popular cloud-based platforms which they are providing, like data engineering solution, data solution, infrastructure management, everything, guys. But basically, compared to this Azure is the very easy part, guys. What I have seen, so you can easily learn data engineering in the Azure with help of like Azure Data Factory, and we have some components inside it. So copy activity, and you have to design some pipeline with help of data flows. So those are very easy, guys, compared to AWS and GCP. So you can easily learn on Azure, and we can find bunch of content in the YouTubes and Google also, guys. So when it comes to AWS means, so we have AWS also providing like cloud-based solutions, and you can implement with help of some glue component, as well as you can do some Python based scripting language, which is for the logic implementation for the transformation. Same scenario for the GCP also, guys. Okay, so what I mean to say, which is you are comfortable to easily understand and grow your career, you can choose as per your platform. And one more thing, reporting side, guys, if the data engineer must should have database, cloud, and reporting knowledge also. So I would like suggest you can go ahead any reporting tool, Power BI or Tableau. Okay, it is very easy, guys, completely like analytic tool. So you just drag and drop the stuff, but it is not like an easy part. Little bit you have to stress a little bit time to understand the what kind of chart you are using, what are the key figures, what are the measures you have to implement on the reporting side. So these are the key things for the second part for to become a data engineer. So apart from this, we have scheduler also, guys. So for example, Airflow and DF for the Azure or Kafka, these are cloud related schedulers which are mostly using. But guys, not only this one, we have third-party schedulers also, which is integrated with this cloud-based platform. So for example, we have some in SAP, we have some schedulers also mostly using for the ETL solutions, guys. So apart from this, you should focus on extra advanced topics which will help you like for data modeling, data warehouse, big data technology. For example, if you want to implement some for machine learning models for data science solutions, right, you should use some Apache, Spark, Hadoop related pyspark, okay, those kind of stuff you should have some knowledge. And not only this, these are the like internal component, data pipeline and ETL system, whatever technology you are using, you should aware of the what kind of competence is available in cloud based, on premises as well as cloud based application. On premises application we have like Informatica, Talent, SAP bots, these are all the ETL tools, guys. Right now it is still market is good, but cloud based application, these are like Azure, AWS, GCP. We have the cloud based applications, guys. So this is about the prerequisite which is required for the to become a data engineer, guys. Okay. So guys, gain hands-on experience. Once you have good understanding of the fundamentals, start gaining hands-on experience by building a data pipeline and data warehouse. You can work on personal project or contributing to open source project. So guys, once you understand the basic thing of utilizing of ETL solutions and on-premise or cloud-based ETL solutions, so start to seeing the existing projects and GitHub, whatever available, and try to understand the each step and try to implement your own. And mostly like right now the cloud-based ETLs are providing trial versions, right? So you can within 1 month or 2 months they are providing. So based on the trial period, you can utilize it each day and try to implement end-to-end. So then you get some hands-on experience on your end, guys. So this is the main thing you have to focus. Once you understand the basic, go ahead on a hands-on experience. At least try to 2 months on practice. Then go ahead for the some real-time projects, guys. So network with the data engineers. So network with other data is a great way to learn new things or finding job opportunities. So guys, basically, for example, if you want to become a data engineer, if you simply sitting on one laptop, it is not going to help you. You have to make your network, okay, with other data engineers, so you can understand or learn the new things. So attend the industry event, join online communities, and connect with the people on LinkedIn. Mostly, guys, LinkedIn is the best way, okay, where you can learn many things from the other data engineer. They will post some blogs which will help to learn many things. Even I am also, guys, I learn many things from the Google as well as from the LinkedIn, other community platform, which will help to understand more data engineer and data science solutions, guys. So basically, guys, you have to, once you understand the topic basic, once you have a hands-on practice, to try to make your circle with the online communities, or by joining the LinkedIn, or by googling some communities which helps to like official sites. They have some community, you can join there and you can try to optimize their solution and try to involve your problems and try to find out their solution. This is the best way you can enhance your skills more. So build a portfolio. So guys, once you have some experience, start a build a portfolio of your work. This could be include some personal project, open source contribution, or freelancer work. So guys, once you understand end-to-end project you have developed, right? So what I basically suggest to you to, so make a portfolio of yourself and explain the what kind of solutions you are providing for the data engineer, how you implemented, and try to upload your profile into the freelancer works, or try to look at, like if you are fresher, try to approach some data engineers or someone who can refer to you in their organization. So try to join as a internship. So they get, like this you can contribute yourself and make your experience more, and make the portfolio like which will help to you you as well as understand the person who is hiring to you. So make a resume like that, guys, and as well as upload your profile in freelancing work like Upwork, freelancer sites are there. So you can, based on your interest, you have to provide their service, you need to contact them. So then automatically your portfolio will be in stable mode for the data engineer, and then you can easily understand how to do the work, how to connect to them. So like this you have to build a portfolios, guys. So guys, so being a data engineer yourself, so it means like you have to learn daily. Okay, it's not like once you learn something, right? No, not like that. So you have to learn many things. What are the advanced topics are there, on which technology you are right now? So for example, you learn the Azure, so you have to go for the AWS also. How the AWS is providing the solution for the data engineer, data science, and you have to see the differences between them and try to focus on advanced topics which is helpful for like real-time streaming data. Right now it is his demand, guys, who have some knowledge of real-time streaming data. So you have to understand the project, how the event based, how IoT devices are involved, how we can get the data with help of ETL pipelines. So you have to understand machine learning and deep learning, data governance and security. These are all the very advanced topics nowadays. Everyone is trying to, who has some of experience data engineer, they are focusing on this like advanced topics also, guys. So career path. So guys, once you become data engineer, what are the roles we have? So once you become a data engineer after experience of 3 to 4 years, then you become like after 5 years or 6 years, right? Based on your organization, right? It's not like, and guys, once you become that, you become a data lead data. It's based on your organization also. So you will become after certain good rating, good feedback, right? From where you become a lead data engineer. So once you become a lead data engineer, you have to handle that team. You have to provide the solution to your team members also for the project. Then you become a data architecture. So data architecture means it will like end-to-end solutions. You have to be sit in the requirement gathering. You have to explain everything, how we can utilize this end-to-end ETL process. So you have to become a data engineer, guys. So then data engineer managers are mostly handling the multiple data engineer projects. They have to understand what is the best solutions I can provide my clients. So like this is the roles, guys, which are basically, then after this one you become a chief data officer based on your experience, based on your like career, how you are making the design, how you are getting progress on your career. So finally become a chief data officer. So this is a career path for 5 steps to become a successful end-to-end data engineer, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos for related